Hey guys, so this is gonna be my completely honest opinion on what I think is gonna happen for earnings on Tuesday for NIO. I'm kind of using common sense here, right? Like NIO, I 100% think that NIO is actually going to beat earnings, 100%. It's just it's common sense. Either they're actually doing financially really well, or they're gonna cook the books because it's China, right? So I don't think they're going to report that they underdelivered or didn't sell enough or their sales were low. There's no way they're gonna do that. I 100% think that NIO is gonna beat expectations, whether they're actually doing it financially, truthfully, or China is gonna be cooking the books for them and they're gonna report some huge ass number because it's fucking China, right? I'm still long on NIO. I'm always weary of Chinese stocks because they don't give a shit, right? Legally, I don't know if you guys know this, but it's actually completely legal in China to commit fraud on foreign investors. So, just letting you guys know that. Like I said, I am perfectly fine with NIO long term. I like NIO. They seem like a good company. The guy that's running it is perfect. It sounds awesome. Honestly, he comes from nothing, so I actually respect him a little bit more for that. Um, but like I said, I do think that Tuesday NIO is 100% going to beat earnings, because why the hell would they? Would they not? There's no possible way that they're not going to beat earnings, because one, there's only two options here. They're either actually doing really financially well, or two, they're not doing financially well, and China's gonna help them cook the books, and they're gonna deliver in crazy outperformance, but it's gonna be fake, right? And no one's gonna know for a while. So I do think NIO is gonna beat earnings. Either they're gonna do it like the real way with their financials, or it's gonna be fake, because China's fucking backing them up, right? Either way, I think they're going to beat earnings. It seems like common sense to me, to be completely honest. Like, there's no way they're not going to beat earnings by now.